Welcome to Adamson's ArrayIntelligence education video series. In this video, we will take you through the online workflow. We are starting with a pre-designed file with the main stereo line array, some stacked cardioid subwoofers, some point source front fills, and a gateway for audio distribution. With our file online, the Blueprint tab is now uneditable. So let's navigate to the I/O tab. In the I/O, Control and Meter tabs, the loudspeakers and bridges are categorized as sources, and the gateways are separated. In the Sources page, we can add some user-defined control zones. You can also assign DSP channels of a bridge to these same zones. In this example, we wish to have control over the lower 2 or 3 boxes of our line source. Add a new zone in the left-hand edit window, then use the drop-down menus to navigate to the main array source group, then the left and right to reassign the zones. Zones and groups are independent of the audio transport and affect only the onboard DSP. In this example, the zone we added can be for both the left and right line arrays. On the right-hand side of this page, we can see our Milan AVB patch window, with the gateway talker on the vertical column and our design layers of speakers and bridges shown on the horizontal rows. Individual speakers can be patched to any of the 16 available channels of the gateway. An entire line array can be patched with a single click by clicking the parent zone as shown. In the gateway page, the 16 available DSP channels of the gateway can be controlled by the software by assigning them to a zone in the left-hand edit window. The XLR input and output can be set from analog to AES by clicking the XLR icons. Further input priorities can be set to configure the inputs and failover if a digital system is to be interrupted. The right-hand window shows the gateway's internal matrix. There's 2 view options, with the matrix view being the default, and a mixer view to display the fader positions for each DSP selected. Using the control key, matrix points of the same value can be multi-selected and muted, or the level changed in unison. Output routing can be modified too by selecting the output icon here on the top right. Simultaneous use of the physical XLR and network outputs can be changed to support either more outputs or AVB with analog redundancy from the gateway. Lastly, the routing state of the gateway can be stored and recalled within the file, with the save icon at the top of the page here, as shown. Now that we have audio routed throughout our system, let's go make some noise.